Hi viewers, greetings from the Gymkhana Sports of IIT Guwahati. Today we have come up with a series of exercises for the neck pain, back pain and spondylitis kind of issues. So these exercises are being compiled by our Gymkhana staff, Mr. Raman Chandra Datra, Mr. Rajiv Dey, Mr. Kishan Chakrabarti, Mr. Sadananda Phupon and myself. So you can do this exercise at your office itself. So whenever you feel, so if there is some kind of pain, some kind of back pain or any kind of issues, because most of the time nowadays we are sitting in the desk job. So I think this exercise will be helpful if you practice regularly. Thank you.
Yeah, viewer, I'm going to show you lateral neck bending. For doing so, you need to sit on a chair, keep your spine straight and then bend your neck on your right side. Stretch it for 5 to 10 seconds and then come to the center and then go on the opposite side. And on that side also, you can hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and then again come to the center. But if you are feeling comfortable doing so, then you can put extra pressure on your neck stretching, putting your hand on your head. Put your hand this side and put the stress, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Come to the center and then put your opposite hand and then stress it on your side, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds and then come to center. This you can try 5 to 10 repetitions and you can gradually increase as per your convenience. Thank you.
Hello viewers, I am going to demonstrate head turn exercise. For doing this exercise, you have to sit on a chair, your spine should be straight, see your phone. Slowly turn your head towards your right, only for 5 to 10 seconds. Come back to the center. Again you turn your head towards your left, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. Come to the center. You can do this exercise 5 to 10 repetitions. When you feel pain on your leg or your shoulder. Thank you.
Dear viewers, I am going to demonstrate neck bending exercise forward and backward. While going backward, you have to hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then come to your original position and then when again going for forward bending, again hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Then easily come to natural position. You can repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times and whenever you feel uncomfortable on your neck or back, you can do this exercise. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am going to perform Shin-tuck exercise. This exercise you can perform anytime as your convenience. For this exercise, you have to sit in good position, good posture. Then slowly bring your chin towards your chest. Without bending your neck, then you have to hold this position at least for 5 seconds. And come to the initial position. And this exercise you can do minimum 10 repetitions.
Hello viewers, I am going to demonstrate you shoulder rolling exercise. So for doing so, you have to sit on a chair, put your back straight and then shrug your both shoulder towards your ear and roll back and bring it down. Do it again. Down. Now you can shrug your shoulder, pull up towards your ear and roll in a forward direction and down. Do it again. Down. This exercise you can do it for 5 to 10 times when you feel pressure on your back or neck, and this exercise will help you to get rid of the back pain and upper shoulder muscle relaxation. Thank you.
Hi viewers, I am going to demonstrate you the Bharadwajasana. So this is the slight modification as we are doing on chair. So for this, you have to sit like this and place your hand at the back, left hand on the chair and try to rotate 45 degrees like this and hold this position for 10 seconds. Then relax. Coming to the original position and towards opposite side now. Again, place your hand at the back, right hand on the chair and try to rotate 45 degrees and hold it for 10 seconds and relax. So like this, you have to repeat this exercise 3 to 5 times. Thank you. Dear viewers, I am going to demonstrate you shoulder stretching with the help of rope. So you have to hold the rope like this, right hand up and left hand at the back. Hold it like this and stretch and hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Now left hand, again you have to hold the rope with the left hand, right hand at the back and stretch it. Stretch it like this, hold this position for 5 seconds. So you can do this exercise as I said with the help of rope. So this way you can give a good stretching to your shoulder. Thank you.